This is just stuff that I don't want going down the drain. This has already been through acid. Already been through acid. Just put in acid. Just put in acid. Waiting to go in acid. These are waiting to go in acid. This is going to be a monster. But it's going to be beautiful once it's cleaned up. Go well. Sorry, it's in the shadows. I know. But it's going to have bots. It's going to have agate. I can't hardly lift it because it's so heavy. But I think I showed it in another video. Here's one that needs to go. It's got nice bands. Nice bots. The one down is just like it. These have already come out of acid. They just need to be scrubbed up. Some of them are not going to be as clean as I would like. I need to figure out if I need to put them back in acid or if I just need a soap and brush on them. And then I got this one that's been soaking for, today is day 3, and it looks like it's ready to come out. So tomorrow, after I get off work, I will take that and take that and put it in a baking soda bath. These are some more that I've scrubbed that have not been in acid, but they're going to go in acid. So you can see this has got some nice bands on it and some nice spots. This one's got some nice spots. It's going to have bands on it. Should be nice once I get it cleaned up. This one's a very nice one. I just needs a little bit of cleaning on it. It's been scrubbed, but I need to give it an acid bath. Just probably not a very long one to get this stuff right in here off. These are nice little plates. I don't even know if I need to put that one in acid or not. It looks pretty good the way it is, but I've cleaned it and scrubbed it. I just can't get all that stuff off of it. Same with this one right here. Oh, it's got soap on the back. I need to rinse it again. But, I mean, look at the druzy on that, man. That's got some shine to it. I've scrubbed it really well, but it's still got that red clay in there. I got some little ones that are like that. I mean, can't tell if that's soap. Yeah, that was not soap. Okay, sorry. Thought that was soap for a minute. And then there are these. I don't know how to get this stuff off of the points. I mean, that's points under there. That's crystal. But I don't know how to get that off. The iron out is not taking it off. So I don't know what to do with that. I mean, I'm sure it will be absolutely stunning if you got that stuff off of it. Same here. That's definitely crystals under there. But I don't know how to get that stuff off. The iron out is not what I need. I need something else. I'm wondering if muriatic acid would do it, and how do I get muriatic acid? But, I mean, look at it's got great agate on it. Saying, oh, well, this one, not really a whole lot to that soap on there. I can show you. Yeah, that's just soap on that one. There's no crystals on it. It's just a little pocket of petroidal in there, and on that side, it just needs to be in a bath. This one has a little bit of botryoidal, but then nothing else. Might not even be worth the time to fool with it. This one has crystals. But again, they're covered in that stuff that I don't know how to get off of it, but it's got some nice bands all the way around it. So, I mean, it's for the agate. I don't know what's going on with this one. It looks like it's all bots. I don't know if there's any crystals on that or not. I didn't see any, or what I don't think there's any on there. But it needs a bath. This is a piece of crystal. I think this is from the root beer area. And I don't want to put that in the iron out. I want to leave it just like it is. I don't want it to pull any of that root beer color out. There's another one that's crystals, but it's covered in that stuff. All of them seem to be covered in that stuff. How do I get that stuff off of there? I just don't know. Any advice? Any help? Any hints? Is it even possible? See, this is what I'm looking for right here. Where it's not covered in that stuff. I mean, how pretty is that? Here's another one. But again, it needs to iron out so we can get the red off of there. This would be just an absolute chunk of beauty right here with the agate going around it, and you could polish the sides. And then, but then you got the stuff on it. I don't know what that stuff is. This one's all agate. But it needs to take a bath and iron out. This is all bots on this one. Look how shiny they are. And here's another one. I just scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed and could not get that red mud off of there. Look at the agate, man. That agate is stunning. So beautiful. And this one, I think I left in iron out a little too long. It turned into snowballs. All right. Well, that's all I got for now. I hope y'all enjoy the video. And I appreciate all y'all watching.